I would like to emphasize that it's now the best time for PhilHealth to act as an health insurer. Hindi naman sila negosyo. Sinasabi nga ng ating kasamaan, this is not a business enterprise. You are a service provider and therefore act as such. So, yun yung nakita natin ngayon no sa administrasyon po ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos. I guess this is the legacy that the president would like to leave, especially to the 115 million members of PhilHealth, na ngayon pong mga darating na taon, mas lalong mararamdaman ang PhilHealth. Even without the subsidy from the government, sobra-sobra po ang pera ng PhilHealth. And anong gagawin natin sa pera? We really need to use it, and act as a health insurer upang mas malaki ang makikinabang at mababawas